Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the ATMOKO electric toothbrush with sonic power. It's called Whitening toothbrush with up to 40,000 VPM with 5 different modes, wireless charging, 6 indicators, DuPont brush heads with travel case, and it's only $31. Reviews, at least at the moment, are pretty good, so I thought I'd give it a try, and yeah, let's see what we get here. So that's the whole content of the box, and as usual I'm going to show you the instructions really quickly. Maybe it takes 2 minutes or so, but sometimes it can be really helpful if somebody wants to go into all the details. Sometimes if things are not available, I mean, when they don't have a website, I don't know, I don't even have checked if they have a website, so you can read now everything in detail, what it can do, what it can't do, all the specs, all the instructions, how it really works. If you want to watch that, make sure you're using 1080p highest resolution on YouTube and pause the video so you have plenty of time to read everything. I hope it's focusing nicely. Sometimes people are buying this used. I don't know if they buy toothbrush used, but maybe they put it back in a box and put the instructions somewhere, can't find them whatsoever. So there are plenty of reasons why to do that, and usually if you don't need that, I mean, you can skip always, no problem with that. So here we get the toothbrushes. They look every 4 times, look all the same. Here we get the power adapter or power plug, and here the wireless charging unit. So there's definitely no pins, no nothing, definitely wireless. And here the main part, even with a travel case. That's really nice, convenient, somehow semi-transparent. I have just to find out how to open that. Okay, and we get another 2 brushes. So plenty of them. I heard they change the color over time, so you will know when to replace, but you will have definitely plenty of them unless you're using all of them for all your family members. It looks actually pretty cool. I mean, here a little bit of shiny, here matte finish, and we have clean, soft, whiten, massage, polish, and charge, which we have to do at the beginning. So I have plugged this in now, just put it on. It's not very tight, as you can see. It's somehow loose, but it doesn't drop, it doesn't fall, so it's pretty stable, at least more or less. Could be maybe a little bit more tight, but you can definitely use this stand easily. Maybe it's also a little bit easier to use it when it's not too tight. Always charging nicely when you approach the charger. Obviously, definitely wireless. And we have to add this head here. I think we just push it down. Nothing too strange, and we can already use it, as you can see. And we can change the mode here to soft. It's a little bit more fine. Whiten, I don't feel much of a change. Massage, definitely different. Polish is a little bit stronger. So I would definitely recommend to start with soft or whiten. That's really smooth, and the other ones are especially clean, and massage and polish seem to be very strong. So I'm trying that now, and let you know how this worked. I mean, it's stop this thing here. So yeah, looks really straightforward, nothing weird, nothing strange, looking good. So just 2 buttons here, nothing really strange, special. Yeah, I'm trying that out and let you know how this worked. So here I'm trying to show you how this looks when this head is moving. You can see now it is focused, and we start with the cleaning. That's the first option, and you can see that you can't see it. I mean, here it is totally in focus. You can see every part of the brush, and when I start it, it moves so fast that you can't see it. I go to the next level, I mean next mode, which is soft. It's vibrating a little bit less, definitely. Then I go to Whiten, similar thing. Then I go to massage, which is a little bit stronger. And then I go to polish, strong again, and then clean again. So that are the options. So that's really tough. I mean, it's hard to see moving because it's so fast, but you definitely can see that it is moving. I mean, it's not much. It's just by, I don't know, maybe 1/100th of a millimeter, but it is quite strong. So I now finished my first cleaning, and I definitely can say that it is really, really strong. I mean, don't get deceived about this really small, lightweight thing. This thing can do a really tough job. I mean, it won't destroy your teeth, I guess, but this is really strong. It was tickling in my mouth. I've never felt like this. I mean, I had my old vibrating toothbrush. Then I had for some years something which was called ultrasonic, and I didn't feel anything. I didn't know if there was some cleaning. This is something in between, which actually I would say makes totally sense. This is much more vibration than you can buy for $10-15, where you have just this vibration that you can see. This is much faster, much higher speed. It's almost, it's really difficult to see, but it's really still strong. I think, yeah, this thing is really something like sonic power and high power. I mean, even when you go to soft, it's still quite strong, and I had the impression that my teeth were super clean after that. But you have to really probably get used to this tickling effect. I've never had this. It is crazy. I mean, I'm brushing my teeth every day 3 times usually, and it's no problem at all. But this thing, yeah, that's crazy. That's really crazy, but I have no doubt you can get used to that. I mean, they sell these in thousands, millions, whatsoever. People are using this every day, but you will have to get used to that. I can warn you. If you get used to that, I think, I mean, I'm really convinced that you will have a really nice cleaning effect, much more than almost everything else, and only for $30. Yeah. Why not? I mean, I'm really impressed. I didn't expect such a strong power with that. The only thing which annoys me is at the moment is that I have to charge it for 24 hours, really. But I mean, I'm not under pressure. I have other toothbrushes around. I can leave it on here forever, so I don't mind. No complaints, definitely at the moment. It is really something new, something special. Why not to buy something like that as a gift for Christmas? I don't know, for yourself maybe. So anyway, I'll put down the link to this listing into the description down below, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.